Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Shrinky Dink keychains. Remove the baking tray from the oven and line it with tinfoil. Find a safe place that is out of the way and plug in the baking oven. Preheat to 300 degrees so it'll be ready to use once participants have finished their designs. Do not leave the hot oven unattended and remember to be careful. Place your Shrinky Dink paper on top of your reference, rough side up, and tape down to prevent it from moving around. Use a pencil or a thin black Sharpie to trace the reference. Remove the tape. Color in your design using color Sharpies, color pencils, or both. Mark where you would want to hole punch your design. Hole punch near the top of it, and use scissors to cut around your Shrinky Dink. Place your Shrinky Dink on the baking tray, color side up. If you place more than one, make sure they're not touching. Place the tray in the oven using a pot holder. Wait 1 to 3 minutes for the pieces to shrink and flatten completely. Then remove the tray using the pot holder. Allow the Shrinky Dinks to cool before handling them. And once they've cooled, loop your twisties wire through the keyring and twist one piece of the wire around the other to secure it. Thread the rest of the twisties wire through the hole you punched in your Shrinky Dink and twist the wire around again to secure it. Now you can attach your keychain to a bag or a backpack.